Welcome to a very STEM Undergraduate Research Symposium. It's an exciting day here as we have a lot of undergraduates presenting the hard work they did, their findings, their ideas in posters. Research is a very important activity that really is the backbone of progress, the backbone of learning. It's not just about education, but it's also about growth and about new findings and way to improve our understanding and improve the world.
I would be remiss if I didn't really congratulate all of the students that have worked so hard to get to this very moment, to have that opportunity to present their research, to talk about all the work that they've done, and to really help us understand what the possibilities are for the future. And that's what research is all about. It's about inquiry. It's about curiosity. It's about investigating. It's about putting that all together and giving us a sense as to what we can do with this information.